siya. Kailan nagsimula ang Lingnam, sir?
1950, ma'am.
1950. And then, itong Lucky Chinatown, kailan din
June 21, ma'am.
June 21. Bali, yung mall hours, anong oras kayo nabubukas at nagsasara?
10 to 9.
10 to 9. Yun. Thank you, sir!
Thank you!
Hello guys! Puntahan natin ang trending Chinese restaurant sa Lucky Chinatown. Ito ang Lingnam. Tara, let's go! Lingnam is a chain of Chinese restaurant in the Philippines owned by Frutas Holdings and established in 1950. Ang bestseller ay ang noodles, congee, dim sum, and siopaw. Ang beef wonton noodles are much recommended in the Philippines Daily Inquirer. Si Ambet R. Ocampo ay nagsulat tungkol sa Lingnam restaurant na ang meat ay fresh and tender and the broth of noodles ay excellent. guys, let's eat! Ang final verdict ay super yes na yes dahil ang beef mommy ay tender at juicy at ang laki ng cut ng beef nila guys.
Yummy!
Ang chicken nila ay sobrang juicy at crunchy at hindi pa ma-oil. Ang overall experience namin sa food ng Lingnam, 10 out of 10. Naswak sa inyong budget, classy but affordable guys! Interviewin natin ang manager na si Victor Llarenas. Super mabait at very accommodating. Kailan nagsimula ang Lingnam, sir?
1950, ma'am.
1950. And then, itong Lucky Chinatown, kailan pinusta
June 21, ma'am.
June 21. Bali, yung mall hours, anong oras kayo nagbubukas at nagsasara?
10 to 9.
10 to 9. Yun. Thank you, sir!
Thank you!
Shoutout muna tayo, guys! Thank you so much sa mga manager ng Lingnam, si Sir Victor Llarenas at si Ma'am Joy Gabriel. And also to the owner ng Lingnam na super pretty and very accommodating. At sa mga staff nila na very welcoming sa mga customer. Shoutout kay na Victor Llarenas, Joy Gabriel, Juben Valdez, Ondi Conde, Justin Nabor, Owa Villurs, Maro Perez, Big Boy Patara, Junaid, and lastly, kay Elmo Baloso Vlogs. Support natin siya, guys. At kay Mark Perez. Until my next vlog, guys. See you around. Love you all. Subscribe to my channel.